Hello, this is Deepak Daya from Grey Homes Real Estate. I'm delighted to present a truly iconic and lifestyle destination by Miraz, the Blue Waters Island. Located right adjacent to Jumeirah Beach Residence and the Palm Jumeirah, Blue Waters Island has a direct access corridor from Sheikh Zayed Road. The centerpiece of the development is the 210-meter high Eye of Dubai, or Ain Dubai, the world's tallest and largest observation wheel in the making. Almost due for completion now, the Eye of Dubai will feature 48 capsules, including 12 restaurants and 6 licensed bars, and will offer the most captivating views over the Dubai skyline. Blue Waters Island is also home to the 575-key Caesars Palace Hotel and Resort, the first one outside the United States of America. With its own 450-meter private beachfront, Caesars Palace offers the exclusive Cove Beach Club, a serviced apartment complex, a 450-seat convention facility, and a 500-seat performing arts theatre called the Rotunda. Blue Waters Island offers 132 retail, dining and entertainment outlets, including the likes of Madame Tussauds Waxwork Museum to be opening soon. The residential component at Blue Waters Island features 10 residential buildings that offer 698 glass-fronted apartments in 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom configuration, along with 4 units of 4 bedroom penthouses and 17 units of 4 bedroom townhouses. The island is replete with top-notch shared facilities, including self-driving pods, basketball courts, swimming pools, fitness centers, play areas, and a boardwalk. The island is connected with JBR Beach through a 265-meter pedestrian bridge. One-bedroom apartments at the Blue Waters Island have a typical build-up of 1,110 to 1,120 square feet and start at 82.3 million upwards. Two-bedroom apartments range from 1,445 to 2,050 square feet and are priced at 82.8 million upwards. Three-bedroom apartments range from 1,935 square feet to 2,200 square feet and are available from 83.5 million upwards. Four-bedroom units have a built-up of around 2,575 square feet to 2,600 square feet and come with a price tag of around 85.7 million upwards. The four-bedroom townhouses have a typical built-up of 6,310 square feet to 6,831 square feet and they're priced at 13 million upwards. These ocean-fronted townhouses come with their own plunge pool. The annual service charges are set at a very affordable 24.74 per square feet of built-up for apartments and 14.09 per square feet of built-up for townhouses. Miraz offers a truly brilliant payment plan to buy your dream property at Blue Waters Island. You pay 10% to book your preferred unit, 10% upon handover, which will be in 1 to 2 months' time, since all these properties are now complete and ready for handover. The balance 80% is due in staggered installments ranging over 5 years post-handover. Join a growing community of elite neighbors and experience a ready-to-move-in lifestyle waterfront property like no other. Call me now on +971 50 658 9020 to know more about exciting, never-before offers from the developer Miraz to facilitate your property acquisition at Blue Waters Island. Thank you.